Well, you know, my pet peeve is boil in a bag vegetables. You know, you're taking a healthy vegetable and then you put it in a plastic bag and you microwave that. That is not good for the vegetable and probably not good for us either.
That's right.
So instead, you use a glass or ceramic bowl and then you use the Cuchina Safe Lid on top. And now look at this. What you're going to do now is you have beautiful steamed vegetables, and all that moisture and the steam rains back onto the food, and now you've got really, really healthy vegetables. And look how beautiful they are. Absolutely gorgeous. So another thing that is great about doing cooking your vegetables or your grains in the microwave is when you do the microwave, you use less water and less cooking time.
Right.
So if I'm going to cook this vegetable, I'm using about this much water, about, you know, half a cup, maybe quarter a cup, and I'm using less time to cook. Now, if I'm going to do, you know, the old-fashioned way of boiling your vegetables.
No wonder people don't want to eat their veggies,
I mean,
right?
There's no nutrients left. This is almost 4 cups of water that goes into that. And then you're boiling all those great nutrients out of the vegetables.
So this is the set of the 2